Welcome to Mecowhy YouTube channel. I was actually recording today a video on my wife's Mazda 6 and I was about to start editing it and I found some lost files. As you can see behind me, there's some material with my Ford Focus, a car I no longer own, but I had a small fender bender back in September, I believe. September, yep. And well, behind me is a video of me fixing some of the damage that happened over there. So let's take a look what you have to do when you back your car into a pole. Yeah. So this is not a big deal. I have some scratches here. Actually the plastic came out on itself. This just needs to be pushed back in. The taillight is busted, pushed in a little bit, so we are going to fix all of that right now. I already have a new taillight, so we have to take this one out and put a new one in. Removing a light on the Ford Focus is very easy. There are just two plastic nuts that are holding it in place, and we just have to undo them. With the light off, we can see this is broken, but the other tabs seem to be okay, so we should be able to push the bumper back in, but I'm not going to replace this part. I'm installing the bumper back in place one tab at a time to ensure I have a proper gap between the panels. As you can see, the gaps are much better than they were before. Right after the accident, I was not able to open the gas cap. Now I can easily push and open the door, no problem there. All the gaps are even and similar to what we have on the other side. So I have a bucket with some water, 1500, 2000 and 5000. Then we will use some rubbing compound to finish it off. Okay, so we have a little bit here. I guess I'll just leave it for now. I don't want to take the light again. Let's concentrate on the biggest damage here. Let's wash it off.
This will also show me where I have to do the touch-ups. So I don't want to do touch-up where I only have the clear coat scratched. I want to polish it out, and then wherever the paint was removed, wherever I have deep scratches from that silly accident, I can do touch-ups. So I think I have a good picture right here. Let's go with 2000 now. A little bit finer sanding paper. At this point you can only see this scratch, and this, a little bit here and there, which I don't worry about it, but this will require some touch-up. Okay, last step. Let's do 5000. This is almost at the polishing level. Well, you know, I still see some scratches from the 1500, so I go with rubbing compound first. So, turtle wax rubbing compound. Okay. Don't need a lot. I'm going to go with turtle wax polishing compound. Mecowhy's Ultimate Polish. I think that's the best polishing compound there is. Okay, so this is how far we are going to go today. I thought I have touch-up paint. I don't, so I'll be driving like this for a while until I have opportunity to go to the store. Anyway, we can see the difference we have done in 10 minutes or so. So I just need a new taillight, polish out the damage. It's much better. Line up all the gaps here. Put the lower valance back on the bumper, and we are here. I still have the part that you install your bumper, I don't know what it's called, broken, but it's only partially broken, and the way the bumper aligns holds it in place correctly. So I'm not going to spend $30. I already spent $60 on the taillight. I'm not going to spend another $30. I'll spend some money on the touch up here and there. I'm slowly preparing this car for sale, so this was very unexpected. I wasn't too happy to see this damage, but that was me. There's nobody to blame. I was just being stupid and didn't pay attention, so that's what it is. Yeah, and I'm sweating. It's really humid in here today. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.